How to make a laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Welcome to How to Do It. You don't know about that you can make your laptop or computer as a Wi-Fi hotspot so that anyone can connect using their mobile phone and another laptop or computer can connect to your laptop or computer's Wi-Fi hotspot and use internet. So everyone know that your mobile phone can convert into a Wi-Fi hotspot, but your laptop also can do so. How you can do so? Today I will gonna let you know. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down below after watching this video you learned anything new or not. Let's begin the video. How to convert your laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot. First of all, go to start menu, type settings, go to settings. Over there you have to go to this network and internet option. Go over there and after that you will see a Wi-Fi hotspot option. Click on that and now switch on this Wi-Fi hotspot. Now it's switched on. Over here you want to share your internet using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, choose according to that, and properties are over here. Your Wi-Fi name is this one, password is this one, any band can be. You want to edit, just edit Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password or anything like this. So now if we want to check out in our mobile phone, we can show you that it is showing the Wi-Fi. 1 second. It is showing you the Wi-Fi. 1 second. Okay, over here as you can check out, this is the Wi-Fi which is in front of you in our laptop and we can connect and use internet. So that's way how you can convert your laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.